wouldn't exactly say this is healthy food. It's called comfort food. Three. I decided to do 3. Let them bake until they're lightly brown on top, or golden, or whatever color you want to call it. Also, I put the rack in the middle of the oven. Tomato sauce noodles. I'm gonna fill the 1-quart saucepan. Probably about a cup of noodles. Two-thirds of a cup. I don't measure anymore, but that's about what it is. You can use your own judgment. You may like more, you may like less. It needs to look like you've got tomato sauce in there. Look at that. So I let it cook for a little bit. It starts getting a little bit thicker. You know, my mama didn't do this, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to add a dash of cayenne pepper and regular pepper, black pepper. comfort food. It's what everyone needs on a cold winter day like this. Good, good, good. I like to dip mine in the sauce. Hot. Wow, it's just like my mama makes them. Good. Oh, feel good.